Have you ever wondered about the Nipah virus, a deadly pathogen that emerged seemingly out of nowhere? From the verdant tropics of Malaysia, this lethal virus made its first known appearance in the human population back in 1998. The virus was identified among pig farmers, a common profession in the region, leading to a swift and severe outbreak. Its name, Nipah, was derived from Sungai Nipah, a tiny village where the first human cases were detected. This small, seemingly insignificant place was unwittingly put on the global map by this unexpected, invisible enemy. The emergence of the Nipah virus serves as a stark reminder of nature's ability to surprise us, and the potential for diseases to arise in the most unanticipated locales. So, the Nipah virus, a silent and deadly virus, was first identified in a small Malaysian village, a testament to how diseases can emerge from the most unexpected places. Now that we know where it came from, let's delve into how the Nipah virus spreads. It's a fascinating yet terrifying journey, beginning with fruit bats, also known as flying foxes. These creatures are the natural hosts of the Nipah virus, carrying the disease without falling ill themselves. Fruit bats love to feast on ripe fruits, and in the process, their saliva, urine, or feces might contaminate the fruit. When other animals or humans consume these contaminated fruits, the virus seizes the opportunity to jump species. The plot thickens as the virus doesn't just stop there. It can also spread from person to person, especially in close contact situations. This ability of the Nipah virus to jump from animals to humans and then further spread among humans makes it a formidable, invisible enemy. It's not just about being bitten by an infected bat, but also about being around infected people. So, the Nipah virus, with its ability to spread across species, presents a significant challenge to public health. Scene script. Understanding the enemy is the first step to victory. But how do we protect ourselves from this invisible foe? The Nipah virus, a silent predator that lurks in the shadows, can wreak havoc if we let down our guard. So let's arm ourselves with knowledge and take a look at how we can shield against this invisible enemy. First and foremost, prevention is better than cure. This adage holds particularly true in the case of the Nipah virus. The virus is often transmitted through direct contact with infected animals, particularly fruit bats, or consumption of fruit or date palm sap contaminated by these animals. Therefore, avoiding direct contact with sick animals and not consuming raw date palm sap are two key preventive measures. However, we must also remember that the Nipah virus can be transmitted from human to human. This places a great responsibility on our healthcare providers. Those caring for patients with suspected or confirmed Nipah virus infection should follow strict infection control practices. This includes the use of personal protective equipment such as gloves, masks, and gowns. It's not just about protecting themselves, but also about preventing the spread of the virus to other patients and their loved ones. Alongside these measures, maintaining good personal hygiene practices is crucial. Regular hand washing with soap and water, especially after visiting sick people in hospitals or caring for infected people at home, can go a long way in preventing the spread of the virus. Moreover, staying vigilant about early signs and symptoms is also important. If you or anyone around you experiences symptoms such as fever, headache, sore throat, or vomiting, seek medical attention immediately. We must remember that we are not helpless in the face of this invisible enemy. By adopting these preventive measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of Nipah virus transmission. In the battle against the Nipah virus, knowledge, caution, and hygiene are our most effective weapons. Let's arm ourselves and stand tall against this invisible foe. The Nipah virus, while not widely known, has had a profound impact on those affected. Its lethal power has painted a grim picture, with death rates reaching up to 75% in some outbreaks. Each life lost is a devastating blow, a ripple effect that extends through families and communities. The socio-economic impact of these outbreaks is equally staggering. Livelihoods are lost as infected livestock must be culled. Fear and stigma can fracture communities, and the cost of containment and treatment can strain even the strongest healthcare systems. Yet, in the face of this invisible enemy, there is resilience. Scientists worldwide are working tirelessly, seeking ways to prevent and treat this deadly disease. Surveillance systems are being honed to detect outbreaks before they escalate. The Nipah virus serves as a sobering reminder of the constant threat posed by emerging infectious diseases and the importance of vigilance in public health.